Mwanchu muligire libono shiragire Ensa Eyemo yabono maragobenga kinde na ningo kualigania asemesa yamangana mayanyare kukumanyali twabere to kualiganira kurwa sema mbya yalenge ntambe weka chinse chigabono chiyabono maragoba inyorobuna umuntu mutangani uyo nyarete kwene kyosa kwene kibonabwa tebi nyinyi binyamoleo asense ya Kenya ni gasire ogumabwa yari tukolia roka bwate myaka 50 nomo netatu nabogo imense ya Kenya wekiraboni gabasubati beso kiriko ligekero kyobo governor nigo bare abasubati 23 abwase county ya Kisii bwato musubati yo Muricho Tundo ayunga tyaritogo cyo komanya kitariki ni 15 omutenyo kabere omukabo kiribubere na 22 ekerere bono litukeriga liya Jumaino omuro motindi ligonyara kubwata imeyo mu Kibosongo abwa serikali ya county ya Kisii yasinyo kulimyo muliro yue county ya Nyamira yesona nigati ayo amona enda mange na kwaliga ninkomanya senchera yobo ikiranum retirane nkoroko Vincent Onyancha. Tigatuya chake kurwa asense media yoburayi bono David Kombo nigasingirete goteba neroro monogalibwe county ya Kisii kolengana na Kombo nigamo chiri bali bagendete kumutanga tabasego so service anase county assembly ya Bosongo elikonyara wekeranyo bokorre bwaje nabo niga gotebuna onete yogo chikumurusie keroge kyo kubwatikana nelichi kotarasi nyone meremo andene go chiko tigara kabo monogalibwe bunge ye county ya Kisii.
Agenda a chamber yane. In the morning, it go home and kill away Montana. Lakini rende can I carro and I know chambers. Chisekire na obviously ane go prepare. Naro yesekire yara sekire ngaki. Kurega na gacheto bagasieka. Bakawana basieka. Na vera aro kasain angana nusu ang sain na a quarter past sain members of the house leadership area baraiwe enyomba ba cha sende bagani kutwale meeting na tware meeting twankira nanga onye mbakwe come up with what will be satisfactory to me ebinda nkirane mambina onde mutano ndo mnyekerogo une speaker ka niche speaker ya assembly kileteyo court na boya tebete court ya high court na court ya court of appeal yabara gandi bakogania batuka na chechi appeal karusie mangana ya. I don't know the reasons because I'm doing my work as faithfully as I should, but we are in a political world, so we leave it there.
Na gotikana noroboti urugwe ikasense menda baonchoreri abajua kali ime yomu Kibosongo abakorobo onchoreri bwabo ase ange ne supermarket ya Shifring barabale na supermarket boigo ene ya Kisimat ose ensemo ya St Juda ni gobono waichanete maiga yomuro watekana gosambe binte binga sense meyo serikali ya county ya Kisii nigo yasinywa kolimyo muliro uyo abwase serikali ya county ya Nyamira yatomega alikurwase county ya Nyamira iligocha gokonya kulimia omuliro yobuno mulikeito Ndemo Steven agotumanya.
Ensemo ya jua kali mbarabale na magacho a St Jude ne supermarket ya Shivling nigo chinsase chemerero chanyarago sambe binte binge ebu byairera abonchori abange konyora sare nene kubwatekana no mubasokano yuo.
Mimi ninasema kwamba Kisii County hatuna usalama hapa kwa sababu hii moto imeanza pole na imeshika, lakini Makasa County zimebakiwa. Wakati ukisikia moto ndio wanaenda kuleta maji kukekati. Sasa kwani gari lazima bila maji?
So tumehuzunika sana because vitu zetu zimekuwa.
Vijana wenzetu tumeshikiliana hivyo, wenye tumekuja tu kwa tunajua ya kwamba hii moto itawaka. Wengi wao ukiangalia huko moto bado wanaendelea kuzima. Lakini maaskari wanatumwa kule wanakuja hapa kuchapa watu. Tunataka kuulizwa ngwai. Hiyo ndio heshima.
Nonyeigo kibale no moichano monene nigo be murunganirio bongora bwenseme kurwa n'imibasokano yemerero ime county ya Kisii yairere binte binge gutatorigu
We have a governor. We have people who are in office here. We see a county governor here, but they can't respond to this fire. This is so shameful. We condemn this act. Tunashindwa tufanye nini? Hatuna maji na Kisii ndo iko na maji mingi kwa kaunti zote.
Chitaeka nke igomagie chinsa ikomigoika nigegario kuri umuriro korwe county ya Nyamira ya Nyaragoika enga kikonyoro umuriro keire. Inse yechu wiki ibere ndigo bona chinse mweso chobonchuri cyanyarire ko yange no bwagatagati bwe municipality ya Kisii abwa serikali ye county ya sabiru ko bamaisa sokorwa nemerereye nago tuke kige ko ile rogo chaka kwaye.
Kwa majina anaitwa Vincent Atambo. Mimi ni mwendeshaji wa pikipiki hapa town. Kitu tunaomba gavana wetu gari zipakiwe na maji.
Chichokora. Tigo kiwezi ngoja na imokesa anduki nero mwana mabele. Tiga aliche county kichio abana injimano. Dobuatio mwae. Pero mware kiabira. Na nemo jomagani kebe. Ikote na moligere na digeira habwe.
Ginko report regeta seni kia Ndizi TV elitaliane Ndemo Steven.
Biyamono Ndemo Steven hasorobocherwa senchira yoboikirano bono gotigana nere tuminane na Mildred Mumanye oyo gotumanye buna nigo abantu nabamenye be county ya Kisii basemiwa kogenda sinyagetari aona koneke nankoli gubale oborwaire bwa maiso robocherwa senchira yoboikirano.
Maiga yo mwaziri bwa bachenu korwa county ya Kisii korareria abamenyi igoro yoboringoria bwa maiso nigo bono abamenyi besokirie eliogo chikoligererigwa kolengana na Saro Mache uyole omwaziri bwa bachenu
Keteko bakirambia mono aso kuigwa okurandiria twakora igoro yogocha ko digererigwa maiso egere uri okonyorwa nabwate ngosi elia so irore kurukwe katarak banyara ko babakurusiwa iga se nyagitari yaitene ne KTRH era ini yagaire ntambe abantu bachire buya bagendete ko koligereriwa chinde twateba bagende abantu bagende kororwa abantu bachire ororo jumba icha Jumatatu bakaligereriwa twanyolire kinamba chia toka chibwate kwerende isabe riri kogera umuntu takorora cataract
baro omwikiranu bwabali bagochia gokonyeka ase oboringorio bwo nigo goikira iga ore abantu 52
bono iga abantu basoira ase chibod cheitegere bakorerwe uko barwo kuokorusibwe cataract igo bale abantange 52 jo twarorire n'abantu bakira abange wetania naende twanyorire ng'abange mbabwata abakire twabangire abaiga baikire ko badmitted bakorerwe surgery eyo
omoroberi oyo nigo gokoreka ase abamenyi batari gocha gwakana nonya ase Amache aenekeria bali besokirie na bali bataresokia
the free surgery eyo egokorwa chitariki 15 paka chitariki 15 isatu mutieni ogocha March egere bone kero ba screen ontumanya ngambalenga bali ende ntutware okobara bono chitariki je kero chira ikora nyore nganto manyete chinamba togokorera emirimo na chirochio igo nakinata ka bantu bamintu mumanya genderera gocha screening omanyu chitariki eji chia 15 baka 15 isato echirabe okobara gwoka bono twakwanire ekambu yetu announce aba bachire ndori chikobaboli kenda nonye twababekira ase nyagitari
Ginko reporteria egetaseni kia Ndizi TV elitaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Biamono mirudiri mumanyi asorobocherwa senchira yoboikanu bone kero kelisi ya segendrete koene kiwa asense ya Kenya ni gochinga kiechumo county police commander me county ya Kisii Francis Koholi anyarega kubolia basa koene kimbali gutume kuna bana siasa sokolenta chibura buru na guturubaniyo molembase county ya Kisii konengana na Koholi ni gate birabona buna abanyanyimbo ni gobaligati kubeka obole ndio botindi na koene kibuna buraburu nchiriko chikoene kiwa ni garogo kurogo tindi abasa ikibara sego ikerwa osonde bwensira ikerwe gagoturubaniyo mulembe na chikomokire getambokero kiri chiko asege kure kyo kibarenga temu nabasaye aho barakana chinga kinge gotumi wana bana siasa goturubaniyo mulemba sorogongo robusi.
To our youth, you will carry your cross alone. If you choose to be used, finally you will be in police custody alone to answer those charges or to answer for the crime you've committed. No other person will be held responsible for your own behavior. Each individual will carry his own cross. So be prepared for that. And the only advice that I will give you that is for free, desist from being used. Kula pesa, enda nulia watoto yako nyama na ugali na ndizi. And the other things, wachia siasa wanasiasa kazi yao.
Na gotigana na siasa mono bolendigo ikasense mende yechisemi akirokelia borokia osaboroki wabagendrete kwe robert yabosio bamatemo na KCP na KCSC ni gabo iboli basemi gwa kone kinanko kwanda barabana babo ase enchira irendonge na chinga kechigama temwago chigokolekana kolengana n'umwalimu munene w'eskuru ya skuru ya mokuru aso orgongo rogusi ni ganya rekagote abuna ichina chichinga ki ekerekelia babo ntoko ikabana bange na kubokwanera anene abana basubati buneganga yokonyara kubabwatsi yaseganga yochokora matemu asomutinyole bosyo.
Igankuru kwa Patrice Michira igande principal y'esukuru ekuru kwa Our Lady of Victory Nyabyo Secondary School abana mbatakeire baegwe chinga kichinyororo ligende gitangani bajiko kujigasmono egere watware chinga kichinyororo cyo focus asamatemu ento kende ya kabere abana bagikumuka mambi sana woje skuru to tebe abayuritiga batema umwana onyara kende kurumambiga na onyene turunge nyo tubwati kende umwana wakonyana ne turunge yarusie mbeo o asomubere ere kago ikesukuru kwanyara bukendu mbuli ogaraki mbuli kumubua alafu ento kende tugosaba abayuri baito abana balero na abana barabakongu sana ase etabia na bwagutora challenges gatoko basaba mubaligereri aso mwana achira magoso togenda mono manyangana kyo mu advice to mubasorana mbakaje gusinywa gukorana na matemu na mono ase gusiya itengima to kubulia abantu bonse piba minto nkona gotetulenga matemu nga abana baitunga banje tikoibera uno bulimo bana baitaringa bakoibera ine ndukiaro heti lakini oyo otoko mubere bali akoibera amatenga ningusie ngima toko sabakero monto erende bobo tukama nayo koibera tutu prepare abana tigabakora matemu buya na bagwithonyore grade kira jiko bakonya.
Oyo no mwalimu monene w'eskuru ya Nyabyosi gotigana na UN committee eyale koligereria chinkwana chaye omugumen repube county ya Muranga Sabina sheganya reteka okwana kubwatana no munyakiro bobwe kyombe kyobo chori ne chimbe IBC niko bawo chigotegerana chinkwana ichose kine kigo chigotegererwa wiki ego chali tuko lya Jumaine asebati bari bachikolingolya na koigwa mangana yo kolengana bunanya retaka kumubwatirania omugumen repube county ya Muranga Sabina shege.
Without fear of contradiction, if ever there was a person who is advocating and promoting the spirit of the handshake and the desire to have one nation called Kenya, an indivisible nation, it is Honorable Sabina Chege. She has been going all over the Republic, speaking the language of peace and unity, and to our consternation, she's been summoned before the commission to answer to utterances which, when you look at it properly, they don't amount to the accusations that the Electoral Commission is presenting to us.
As Senior Council Lorenzo has said, we raised a number of issues, and we don't have to repeat them because most of you covered them live. There were a total of 7 issues. Suffice it to say that the committee decided to deal with only one issue and ignored the others, and then jumped to say now we should get to the hearing. 2 things that are important. One is that the committee disclosed that although the summons said they had received a report and some materials, they say now they did not receive a report. They decided to investigate this of their own motion. And that is that they allege that the Honorable Sabina Chege uttered some words on 10th of February, and they issued the summons of 11th of February. And they claim they are not clear as to who initiated it or who indeed recorded what now they want to give to us. And they assured us that they'll give us their version of the clip with the transcription. Secondly, it's important to note, and we had raised that and we will continue to raise it, that they have themselves introduced the question of integrity of the 2017 election, something that was not touched on by the Honorable Sabina Chege, and that we in turn indicated that to date, that integrity is still in question because they are yet to comply with the orders of the Supreme Court. And that issue will recur again at every other stage when we'll be dealing with this matter.
Na chinga kicho umre wense muskuru Kenyatta niganya rekuboli yabo bisabe serikali kone kibuna nkubali gani bale neganga yo kubwatira nense ya Kenya kurwa chinse chinde anasoko kine uchumi na boigo asoko nyara kubwatira na sense media yo bonchirelia uruka ukwana kurwa sense ya Dubai ritukolia lero ekerata rense meyo aseganga yo kuigorugwa Kenya Golf Corporation Council igorate birobuna ichinga kense ya Kenya abonita kubwatira na ne chinse chinde igono na banyare kwaligania bonsi bali bari tayari kubwatira nense ya Kenya andaseganga yoko nyara gukini uchumi na boko nyara gukini uboncherelia aniga gocha akerekelia Uhuru Kenyatta ale chimbiro kwaligania gocha sense United Arab Emirates.
I would like at this time to challenge our business leaders, especially those in this forum, to seize this moment and to use this Dubai Expo as a springboard to establish business partnerships that are much more ambitious, more innovative, and which can help us all spur a sustainable as well as a green economic recovery of which Kenya is highly interested. In this context, we have indeed noted a range of goods and services that the United Arab Emirates imports from the rest of the world, products which we believe Kenya can ably produce and supply. These include services such as in hospitality and tourism, banking and financial services, ICT and data processing. And with respect to goods, we have animal and animal products, gold, cut flowers, fish and pharmaceuticals, tobacco, textiles and apparel, vegetables and fruits that the United Arab Emirates could procure from Kenya at very competitive prices. Trade in these goods and services presents huge opportunities, which I urge all to seize. These are opportunities, for example, to establish joint ventures, to do value addition of these products at source, and there are opportunities too to develop niche markets where Kenya can earmark land to produce some of these goods specifically for the UAE market.
Na buigo homre wekama giakanu Gideon Moi nigate bire bagenda tene chinkwana na omubwazimio la umoja aseganga yogo chikobwatira na amo ase okunyara gokole egasi aso kubwatana aniga gocha maiga ya kelia na lichi kulio kubwatana kwebyama ali nyaragwetigwa ase byama bagesi asabono bigo chikobuna na korosio mubwagesi aso coalition kolengana Gideon Moi nigate bire bunani gweganga yawo baligate ochikobwatana na azimio la umoja aseganga yokobwatira nense
As you do the negotiations, we're negotiating on your behalf. So yale ambayo itatokea mambo ya zoning na nini itawekwa hapo. So tutaona ile deal ambayo tutalete must be for your best advantage. So I want to assure you that. I must and I will assure you we have to be in government. Because not everybody here is going to make it. But if you do not make it, uko na hope kwamba tuko wapi? Ndani. Na kama tuko ndani, siko kitu utapata.
Na boigo ayuka genrete na gotigara sensemo ya siasa mugavana bwe county ya Kericho Paul Chepkunyi bono ni gate bireta guchukuriga kerogo kendo gionse na ni ga guchugwetigana kogenda nkasa mangana siasa kolenga no mugavana ibe county ya Kericho ni gabuli amenye be county ya Kericho ko ni kimunango chora barumura yora chiko bakonya na ni gate bire kolenga na nelichi kelikoro kiekera korichi ntunde ibere higabwenete gotumuka ni gochenga tebire buna kogenda kwa yeka ni ga guchugwetigana mangana siasa asekolenda tebire na chikumu bwatsi omukonyu mure wense William Ruto kwane kibunankonyara chikura chinyinge anasensemo ya Kericho.
Kwa vile mimi ninafuata katiba, gavana anatakikana aende mara 2. Akimaliza anawajia mwingine. Sasa mimi mutachagua yule mwenye munataka nimwachie. Hakuna mtu mwenye nitasema ni huyu. Kura yangu ni moja. Kura yangu ni moja na itaenda kwa yule mtu ninajua peke yangu kisiri. Sasa mimi sipagui hao aspirants wote. Ukiwapata wao mwambie Timilwet apagui. Mimi ninaenda nyumbani, lakini ile kazi ninataka kufanya ni kufanyia campaign William Samoei Ruto. Sasa nikipata nafasi za ile yuko anafanya campaign, ninajiunga na yeye kule mbele. Mimi ninasema tu Mungu ajue kule mbele, lakini bora yeye apate. Na huyo tunamwombea akuwe rais wa 5 wa Kenya. Mwisho, peane msamaha vile vile. Katika hii kazi ninaweza kukosea. Mwananchi hawezi kunikosea. Mwananchi saa yote ni right. Ndio niseme ile nimekosea, munisamehe.
Na ayuka genrete gotigara asense meri ya siasa basubati kurose county ya Nairobi ni gobono beso kirie na kunyaro korario murembe anasobocho rio bonebole bosio ni gochinga kicha basubati obanyarre kubolia basaye kaine kyambali gotume kona bana siasa asiganga yo goturbanyo murembe asense ya Kenya.
Kifujo tume experience fujo kwa miaka iliyopita na tutaki ku experience fujo tena, na saa hii tumefundishwa venye tutaenda huko nje na kuambia wamama wenzetu, mabwana zetu, mandugu zetu, watoto wetu, vijana wetu jinsi ya kukaa kwa jamii na amani. To vote viongozi ambao wanatuonyesha wana mielekeo mizuri na wana mambo mazuri yale wametupangia hapo mbeleni.
Wamama wako na very big influence na wao ni watu wa maana sana, au ndio walituleta kwa hii dunia. Kwa hivyo tumeweza kuwatumia wao kwa sababu vijana wanawasikiza zaidi.
Na umukonyi bumure wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto ni gobona nyarega kumuchia umuraiwe kyamma gyaude mrero dinga asiganga yowe tigene mirimo abwene tagokora anaso konyara kwa mire serikali ko opposition na wesana ni ya ase serikali ni gochinga kiechio Rutate birabuna Raila ni ganya regosege tobo kurumia sense ya Kenya egenta mu muchirikia ndege 10 goteuna nero gere serikali ya nyarego toranwa kaukwana kurwa asense semo ya Kajiado ni gate yauna ejinachinga kiaba Kenya wanda koigora maiso na gochoro omurai orabakonye.
My friends, you came to support impunity. You created a laundry to dry clean those who are corrupt in government. You came and participated in looting and in corruption. You stole even from KEMSA. And then you want to tell us you want to discuss about government. If you have failed in the opposition, you can never have a chance to form any government, my friends.
Mwanchu muligidia singe nchoye biro no toko jana chirabwa senchira yobo ikira nuchikora gaisa tajwa mona yanda mange ninyare go kumanyinyira bono monto mutanganya sense ya Kenya kumanyikana bwate binyibinya moleo niganyara gosiru mabweri tukolyale rayo sobwagale ningo sansamuranere isatochi abo tukole sto bwatira nambiya mono kurwa semesa ya mangana maya tubwatu gotira nsemo ye mtandao nsemo ya Facebook tonyore buna Ndizi TV News na baga nsemo ya YouTube tonyore buna Ndizi TV News iretira nenkoro Vincent Onyancha.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omuguzi.